What are spots, pimples, and boils? The common cause of spots, pimples, and acne is the excess secretion of sebum and dead cells getting trapped in the pores of the skin. The true cause of oily skin lies in one's genetic makeup. In excess of a hormone called dihydrotestosterone, a metabolite of testosterone, DHT, is responsible for triggering sebaceous glands to produce sebum. As the skin sheds off the old dead cells, and if any of these block a pore, sebum collects in the hair follicle, leading to the formation of a spot. There are different types of spots. Blackheads are small bumps that appear on the skin due to clogged hair follicles. It is also known as open comedo. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face, but they can also appear on the back. Whiteheads are a mild form of acne that appears as small, round, white bumps on the skin surface. This type of acne occurs when a pore becomes clogged with sebum, dead skin cells, and debris. These types of bumps are sebaceous plugs or comedones. Red acne spots. The trapped sebum serves as an ideal ground for the growth of bacteria, which leads to infection. The main reasons of acne are blocked hair follicles, excess oil production, bacteria, and excess activity of a hormone called androgen. Hormonal changes increase the chances of developing acne. An example, during puberty, pregnancy, and use of oral contraceptives.
If you've liked Inkstall's edutainment, then go to inkstall.in and sign up for free. Producing our videos takes a lot of time. If you'd like to support Inkstall, you can do so on patreon.com/Inkstall. Please refer the link below to buy Inkstall's book on space, time, and beyond.